Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the topic that is capital search, in which we have learned about the capitals of the various countries of the world. Okay, and the second topic that we had discussed was the sports and their places of origin. Okay, so we know various sports are being played all around the world. Okay, and now in that chapter we have discussed that from where or those sports have been originated or inspired. Okay, so that we have discussed in our last session. So today I'm going to start with the next topic from your GK book only, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, so this is the next topic that I'm going to start, and it is given at page number 48, that is quiz yourself too. So all of you open your books at page number 48, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, this is the next, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, this is the topic and this is given at page number 48. Quiz yourself too. Okay, so in this we will learn about we will discuss about the, like a quiz, as you know that in quiz you get different questions from different topic. So in this as well we will discuss about the different topics or the different questions. Okay, but they all are from the different field or the different topics. Okay, so here I am starting with the first, that is which Indian cricket player is nicknamed Chico. Okay, so कौन से इंडियन क्रिकेट प्लेयर का जो निक नेम है दैट इज चीको. Okay, and that is Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli is also the captain of Indian cricket team. Okay, so he is Virat Kohli, whose nickname is Chico. Okay, so in which cricket is the nickname Chico, that is Virat Kohli, the captain of Indian cricket team. So the answer of the first is, that is Virat Kohli. That is Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team and his nickname is Chico as well. Chaliye, moving next to the second question. What are Firefox, Opera, Home, Chrome, Safari and Explorer types of? Okay, so the question is what are Firefox, Chrome, Safari and Explorer types of? So ये Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Safari और Explorer ये किस चीज़ की types हैं? So all these things are the types of web browser. So all these things are the types of web browser. ये सब किसकी type हैं? Web browsers की. देखिए web browsers क्या होते हैं बेटा? So the web browsers are the search engine, not the search engine, the web browsers that we open on which we search the different sites. So देखिए Google Chrome is the very common web browser that is being used these days. तो आजकल ये जो Google Chrome है, this is the most common web browser that are being used. तो आप कभी भी आपको suppose आपको YouTube खोलना है, so I'm talking about the laptops. Okay, I'm not talking about the mobile phone, क्योंकि mobile phone में direct app को आप click करते हैं and it get open. Okay, so I'm talking about the laptop. I'm giving the example of actually laptop. You can use these browsers on your phone as well, but right now I'm talking about the laptop or the PC. So suppose you want to surf internet. Okay, आपको net के ऊपर surfing करनी, कुछ search करना है suppose. Okay, so what you do, you will just switch on your laptop or the PC and then you will click, and you must be having the internet connection, that make sure. Okay, then you will click on some of the web browser. Okay, so web browser पे आप click करते हो, स्पेशली Google Chrome जो आजकल कॉमनली लोग यूज़ करते हैं. So you will click on the Google Chrome, and Google Chrome जो ओपन होता है उसके ऊपर suppose you want to open the YouTube channel of your school. So you will type यूट्यूब, तो यूट्यूब पे जाओगे तो यूट्यूब आप जहाँ लिखते हो, ओके, सो ऊपर सर्च, वहाँ पे सर्च पे, ओके, सो ये जहाँ जो भी चीज़ आपने यूट्यूब खोला है, जो ये एक टैब खोला है, सो दिस यू हैव ओपन ऑन अ वेब ब्राउज़र, तो ये आपने किसके ऊपर खोला, एक वेब ब्राउज़र के ऊपर, okay. So other than the Google Chrome, there are certain web browsers as well, that is Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Safari and Explorer. So these all are the different types of browser, okay. Okay, so these all are different types of browsers. So the answer of the second, that what are the Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Safari and Explorer types of, these all are the types of web browser. So the second is web browser, browser. These all are the types of web browser. Clear? Moving next to the third, which team other than Gujarat Lions made its debut in the IPL 2016? तो IPL 2016 में, ओके, किस टीम ने, okay, so in the IPL, you know, that is Indian Premier League. So this is the league that is organized in our country, जो कि हमारी कंट्री में ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती है हर साल, okay, from the last 13 years, but this year it was conducted in Dubai due to the COVID-19 pandemic, okay, but actual this is the Indian Premier League, okay, that happens or that is organized in India only. So this is, in this, certain teams that belongs to the various particular states of the India. So in this, the players from the Indian cricket team, Indian international cricket team, and many other, and the players of many other international players of other countries like Australia, South Africa, West Indies, and many other countries, New Zealand. So जो उनके जो इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स होते हैं, दे ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस, ओके, एंड इसके अलावा द नेशनल प्लेयर्स, ओके, सो द नेशनल प्लेयर ऑफ आवर कंट्री, दोज हु पार्टिसिपेट और दोज हु प्ले इन द रणजी ट्रॉफी और इन द नेशनल इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम or the under 19 team, so they are also the part of this IPL, okay. So in this, the different members of of a single team, they play, okay, so all the members of a single international cricket team, they plays in the different team. तो एक ही टीम के मेंबर वो अलग अलग टीम में बट के खेलते हैं एक दूसरे के खिलाफ. सो दैट मीन्स एक ही कंट्री के जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो अपनी ही कंट्री के प्लेयर के ऑपोजिट खेलते हैं बाय रिप्रेजेंटिंग एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द अदर teams of the state. Okay, so this is a quite interesting and very popular game sports in India. Okay, so here in this, the IPL that was occurred in the year 2016. So 2016 में जो IPL हुआ था, so उसमें कौन सी दो टीम्स थी जिन्होंने डेब्यू किया था? डेब्यू मीन्स दैट दे हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. So the one team was Gujarat Lions, okay, Gujarat, along with Gujarat Lions, which was the other team? That was Rising Pune Super Giants. So this was the team, that is Rising Pune Super Giants. This was the second team who has made its debut in the IPL 2016. So the answer of the third is Rising Pune Super Giants. Okay, this answer of the third is Rising Pune Super Giants. That is Rising Pune Super Giants, GIANTS. Rising Pune Super Giants. This is the second team who has made its debut in the 2016 IPL. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, which of these numbers is 9287 as tail or is too late in end? Okay, so now they have given a number. So this sum is related to some kind of reasoning question. So they said which of these numbers is 9287 as tail is too late. Okay, so here they have given that the number. Okay, so for this I need to erase it. So these are the answers for the first three. The first is Virat Kohli, second is web browser, the third is Rising Pune Super Giants. So fourth one I will explain it here. Okay, so this is question is related to reasoning basically. So here they have said okay, 9287. 9, sorry, tail, T-A-L-E. Tail means 9287. So they said that 9 to tail ka matlab, if you coding decoding, they are using the reasoning topic, that is coding decoding. So they have used the code tail for, so they have used the number or the digits, that is 9287 for the tail. Now we, by using these codes words or by decoding these code words, you have to tell what will be the code for LATE. Okay, so the coding or the decoding topic that they had taken here. So tail, T-A-L-E, tail means 9287. So this is the code that is being used for the word tail. Now we have to tell the code that is being used for late, L-A-T-E. Okay, so first thing that you will see here, T means 9, A means 2, L means 8, E means 7. Okay, this means this. T means 9, A means 2, L means 8, E represents 7. So now let's, by using these numbers and these alphabets, we will decode this late as well. So here as you can see, L is the first alphabet. So which alphabet, which digit stands for L here? That is 8. So L stands for, L represents 8. L represents 8. Second is A. So here 2 represents A. So here we will use the code 2 for A. Third alphabet, that is T. So here the T, which digit represents T? So that is 9. That is 9. That is 9. The last is E. So which digit represents E? So that is 7. So 7 represents E. So if you decode late, L-A-T-E, late, we got, okay, after decoding late, we got 8297. That is 8297. Okay, and the question is, which of these numbers is to 9287 as tail, is too late? Okay, so 3 options were given, that is 8000 to 8297, 2879 or 7829. So that the answer is 8297. So the answer is 8297. So the answer is this only. So the answer of the fourth one is 8297. So after decoding tail late, we got the number that is 8297. That is 8297. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is, what is the capital of France? So France की capital क्या है? So that the capital of France is, the capital of France is Paris. The capital of France is Paris. So Paris is the capital of France. Okay, and two very famous landmarks, they are located in Paris only. Okay, so two very famous landmarks, they are located in Paris. That is the Louvre Museum, and the second, the very beautiful Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. So these two ये दो जो famous landmarks हैं, they are located in Paris only. Okay, and other than that, the Paris has also been famous for its unique airport, okay, which is named after one of the former president of the, which is named after the former president of Paris. Okay, so there are number of famous landmarks you can find in Paris if you have a pay visit to the Paris. Okay, so that's why it is considered as the that's why it is considered as the capital of the France as well. So what is the capital of France? That is Paris. The capital of France is Paris. Okay, so this is the answer of the fifth. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is, What kind of equipment is the Hubble space which was launched by NASA? So NASA has launched equipment. Okay, NASA ने एक equipment launch किया था. Okay, and they had named it as Hubble space. और उन्होंने उसको क्या नाम दिया था? Hubble space. So what is that equipment? Okay, so first thing is what is that equipment and the second is that what is NASA. तो देखिए equipment जो कि NASA ने बनाया था जिसका नाम उन्होंने हबल स्पेस रखा था. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट्स अ टेलीस्कोप. सो हबल स्पेस इज द नेम ऑफ अ टेलीस्कोप. ओके, एंड इट इज बीइंग लॉन्च्ड बाय नासा. नासा इज वन ऑफ द वेरी बिगेस्ट स्पेस एजेंसी of the world. Okay, that is NASA, that is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is in America. Okay, so this is one of the biggest space agencies of the world, that is NASA. Okay, so NASA ने एक बेटा हबल स्पेस नाम का इक्विपमेंट लॉन्च किया था. Okay, that is a telescope. So Hubble space is the name of a telescope that is being launched by NASA and which is used. Okay, जो किस लिए यूज किया जाता था? This Hubble space is used to look at the stars or the planets. Can be used for looking at the stars and the planets from their telescope. Okay, ये इसकी जो vision है that is very far. Okay, you can while standing on the earth you can see this stars and the planets in the sky during the night. Okay, so it's very costly as well. Okay, so this has some unique qualities, other unique qualities as well, as it is launched by one of the greatest space agencies of the world, that is NASA. So Hubble space is the name of a telescope that is being launched by NASA. So this is a telescope. So this is the name of a telescope. Okay. Okay, moving next to the seventh one. Okay, so the seventh is, in which movie series will you find the characters Wolverine, Magneto and Storm? So these are the famous characters from one of the very famous superhero movie, that is X-Men. Okay, so Wolverine, Magneto and the Storm, so these are the very famous characters from the movie of a Hollywood movie, that is X-Men. Okay, and X-Men is a superhero. Okay, I think he is having some scales like claws or sorry steel claws on his hand. I hope, मतलब I just think जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, but I'm correct or not that I don't know. So you must be knowing more than me about this. So Wolverine, Magneto and the Storm. So these are the main characters of the very famous Hollywood movie, superhero movie, that is X-Men. So the answer of the seventh one is X-Men. Moving next to the eighth. The eighth is, okay, so the eighth that is given here. Who was the leader of the pack of wolves who brought up Mowgli in the Jungle Book? So the Jungle Book, you must have heard about this story. Okay, so as we have already discussed about this story in our class. So Jungle Book is a story about a boy whose name is Mowgli, who has been left by his parents in the jungle. Okay, and later he has been brought up by the one of the leaders of wolves. His name is what was his name? His name was Akela. Okay, and he was the leader and he took him along with him. Okay, and it's a wolf. Akela is the name of a wolf in the movie. Okay, so he took that Mowgli with him and brought him up like his own child. Okay, and when he grew up, he became a very self-dependent and wise person. Okay, now here the question is, who was the leader of the pack of wolves which brought up Mowgli in the Jungle Book? So the Jungle Book में जो मोगली को जो लीडर था, जिन्होंने उसको पाला था, जो पैक ऑफ वुल्व्स ने, जो वुल्व्स की एकदम झुंड था, उन्होंने मिलके उसको पाला था, तो उनका जो सरदार था उसका नाम क्या था? So who was the leader of the pack of wolves? That was Akela. Okay, that the name of the leader of the pack of wolves in the movie The Jungle Book was Akela. A-K-E-L-A. That is Akela. Moving next to the ninth. The ninth is, Which sport is Sebastian Vettel associated with? So Sebastian Vettel कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड है? So Sebastian Vettel is associated with Formula 1 car racing. So Sebastian Vettel कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड है? So Sebastian Vettel is associated with Formula 1 car racing and he is from Germany. So he represents Germany in the Formula 1 car racing. So Sebastian Vettel is associated with Formula 1. He is associated with Formula 1. He is associated with Formula 1. Clear? Moving next to the 10th. So the 10th is, which school of witchcraft and wizardry does Harry Potter go to? Okay. So Harry Potter, you must have seen the movie and the various parts of the Harry Potter series as well. So Harry Potter he was a magician. His parents were also magician. Okay, and for learning more magic, he went to the magical school. Okay, schools of magicians. He went to for learning more magic there. Okay, so what was the name of that school where he went to learn about the magic, or that school is known as the School of Witchcrafts and Wizardries. So what is the name of that school? So that was the name of the school is Hogwarts. That was the name of the the name of the film was Hogwarts. That was Hogwarts. That was Hogwarts. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the 11th one. Who became the first women badminton player from India to hold the world #1 ranking? So भारत की सबसे पहली दुनिया में so who is the first Indian woman? सबसे पहली भारत की कौन सी ऐसी खिलाड़ी थी जिन्होंने बैडमिंटन में वर्ल्ड #1 रैंकिंग हासिल की थी? Okay, and she is the first woman of India. She is the first woman badminton player of India who has ranked #1. Okay, in the world rank, who has ranked #1 in the world ranking. Okay, and she for the first time. Okay, and she is the first player as well, and her name is Saina Nehwal. So Saina Nehwal is the first woman badminton player of India who ranked #1, who has hold the world #1 ranking. Okay, she is the first Indian badminton player. Her name is Saina Nehwal. She is Saina Nehwal. Moving next to the 12th one. The 12th is, what is the name of the mascot of 2016 Euro Cup? So 2016 में जो Euro Cup हुआ था, so who was the mascot of that Euro Cup? So the mascot of 2016 Euro Cup was Super Victor. So this is the name of the mascot of 2016's Euro Cup, that is Super Victor. That is Super Victor. So here this is the name of the mascot of 2016 Euro Cup, and Euro Cup is associated with football. Okay, so these are the answers from 4 to 12 from the page number 48. You can pause it here and note it down in your books. So as we have left little more time, so we will discuss a very small topic as well. So as we have more time here, so let's move to the next topic, that is page number 51, that is cups and trophies. So here you can see the pictures of various cups and trophies are given, and we have to write with which sports that particular cup or that particular trophies is associated. Okay, so this is a very small topic, so you have to just write the name of the sports with which that particular cup or the trophy is associated. Okay, so let's move to the page number 51, that is cups and trophies. The topic is cups and trophies given at page number 51. Okay, so let's start with the first. So this is the first picture that is given here. So this picture is of the FIFA World Cup. Okay, so the first picture is of the trophy of FIFA World Cup. Okay, and as you can see on this, football is made. Okay, so that means this trophy is associated with football. So FIFA is the World Cup of football. Okay, that is being held after the interval of every 4 years. So that is FIFA World Cup. It is being held after the interval of every 4 years. So the FIFA World Cup trophy is associated with football. So the answer of the first is, that is football. So the FIFA World Cup trophy is associated with football. Okay. Second, so the second trophy is a Davis Cup. So with which sports this Davis Cup is associated? So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Okay, so lawn tennis जो है उससे जो Davis Cup है, okay, this is the name of a trophy that is being given for the winner of the Davis Cup, and it is associated with lawn tennis. So the answer of the second is, that is lawn tennis. Moving next to the third. The third is the Ashes. The third trophy whose picture is given here, that is the Ashes. So the Ashes trophy is associated with which sports? So Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. That is cricket. Fourth. So fourth picture is of the Musketeers trophy. So the fourth picture is of the Musketeers trophy, and this the Musketeers trophy is associated with lawn tennis. The Musketeers trophy is associated with lawn tennis. That is associated with lawn tennis. The Musketeers trophy is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the fifth. ICC World Cup. So ICC World Cup is International Cricket Council World Cup. So here the name is already mentioned, that is ICC, that is International Cricket Council World Cup. So International Cricket Council World Cup or ICC World Cup is associated with one of the very famous game of India, that is cricket. So ICC World Cup trophy is associated with cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. That is cricket. Moving next to the sixth, that is the Ranji Trophy. The sixth is the Ranji Trophy. So the Ranji Trophy is associated with which sports? So the Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. So the Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. That is the sixth one, the cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. That is cricket. Okay. So these are the names of the various cups and the trophies with which they are associated. So here at the length, certain questions are given, 3-4 questions are given. Let's do those one as well. Okay. So the first question is, who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? So कौन सी country ने 2014 का FIFA World Cup जीता था? So that was Germany, who has won the 2014 FIFA World Cup. So the country which has won the 2014 FIFA World Cup was Germany. Okay. Moving next to the second one, that is, where was the first cricket World Cup held? सबसे पहला क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप कहाँ हुआ था? So the first cricket World Cup was held in England. That is England. So the first cricket World Cup was held in England. सबसे पहला क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था इंग्लैंड. Okay. And this was won by West Indies. सबसे पहला क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप किसने था? वेस्ट इंडीज ने. नेक्स्ट, हु वॉन द विंबलडन मेंस सिंगल टाइटल इन द 2016? ओके, सो 2016 में जो विंबलडन मेंस सिंगल टाइटल हुआ था वो किसने जीता था? तो विंबलडन इज दैट इज अ गेम एसोसिएटेड विद लॉन टेनिस. सो विच प्लेयर हैज वॉन दैट इज एंडी मुरे. सो एंडी मुरे हैज वॉन द 2016 विंबलडन मेंस champion single title, that is Andy Murray. M-U-R-R-A-Y. Moving next to the last one. That is, who won the Formula 1 World Championship in 2015? So 2015 में Formula 1 World Championship किस player ने जीती थी? That was Lewis Hamilton. Okay, so Lewis Hamilton has won the Formula 1 World Championship in 2015. That is Lewis Hamilton. Okay, so these are the answers from the page number 51. Okay, so with this I'm ending the session here as well. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.